You scrub that reddish-brown streak under your faucet every week, and it's already back by the time you shower the next morning. That's not dirt, and it's definitely not something regular bathroom cleaner can touch. It's actual iron oxide from your water supply bonding directly into the porcelain's microscopic pores. There are 4 ways to dissolve that iron bond completely instead of scrubbing at the surface, and the cheapest one costs 20 cents using something already in your kitchen. The oldest method traces back to ancient Egypt. Stay with me to the end, because I'm walking through exactly what gets rust out for good. Bathroom cleaner brands profit from formulas built to handle soap scum and general grime, not the specific iron oxide bond causing rust stains, which is exactly why that streak survives wash after wash, no matter how hard you scrub. Citric acid's ability to dissolve iron compounds has been documented since ancient Egyptian use of citrus and acidic compounds around 1500 BCE, and that's precisely the kind of targeted fix a billion-dollar bathroom cleaning category has no incentive to spell out on a bottle built for general surface wiping. Fix number 1. Lemon juice and salt, 20 cents per treatment. Cut a lemon, dip the flesh directly into 1/4 cup salt, rub it straight onto the rust stain using firm circular motion. The citric acid dissolves the iron oxide bond at a molecular level, while the salt provides mechanical abrasion, a combination documented in cleaning practices since ancient Egyptian households used citrus acids on metal and stone surfaces. Let it sit 10 minutes before rinsing for stains that have set for weeks rather than months. Fix number 2. Citric acid powder paste, 15 cents per treatment from a $4 bag lasting months. Mix 2 tablespoons citric acid powder with just enough water to form a thick paste, apply directly to the rust stain, let sit for 30 minutes. This concentrated form outperforms lemon juice on stains that have hardened over 6 months or more, since the powder delivers a higher acid concentration directly against the iron deposit without dilution. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes: using chlorine bleach on rust stains. Bleach actually sets iron oxide further into porcelain through an oxidation reaction, turning a light stain into a darker, more permanent one within days rather than removing it. Fix number 3. Cream of tartar and hydrogen peroxide, 30 cents per treatment. Mix 2 tablespoons cream of tartar with just enough 3% hydrogen peroxide to form a paste, apply directly, let sit 15 minutes. Tartaric acid combined with peroxide's oxidizing action breaks apart deeply set iron stains that citric acid alone sometimes can't fully lift, making this your strongest option for streaks running down from a leaky faucet base. Fix number 4. Pumice Stone, $6 for a stone lasting years, for rust that's calcified into a hard crust. Wet both the stone and the stain, then rub gently in small circular motions along the streak. Pumice sits softer than porcelain on the hardness scale, breaking apart hardened rust mechanically without leaving the scratches steel wool causes, which just creates more surface area for future rust to grip onto. None of these methods stop rust from returning if the actual source is a corroding pipe or fixture. That requires a plumbing fix, not a cleaning one. Deep pitting where rust has actually eaten into the porcelain glaze also won't fully smooth back out, no matter how long you treat it. Under $1 total for a full treatment versus $10 to $15 per bottle of specialty rust remover, you'll rebuy every few months with fading results. If this finally explains why that streak keeps coming back, hit that like button. It tells me what to break down next. Subscribe if you want more of these. Drop a comment telling me if your water's the culprit and which fix you're trying first. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. Stay sharp out there.